Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. Our 100% AI-generated content is based on real-time events and uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Update. It appears that XRP has seen a surge in investor interest, resulting in a significant increase in its market capitalization by about $8.85 billion within a month. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC is believed to have played a partial role in this surge. XRP has broken crucial resistance levels and maintained sustained interest from investors, recording a notable 40% growth over the last 30 days and currently trading at 52 cents. The asset is targeting the $1 position, but it has several barriers to break along the way. The XRP technical analysis on TradingView is predominantly bullish, with the one-day gauges aligning with the buy sentiment at 14. You can view the one-day gauges near the end of this video. The XRP surge is possibly driven by the increasing optimism of the token community, which anticipates a favorable outcome in the ongoing legal tussle between Ripple and the SEC. The verdict of the case is anticipated to be revealed in the first half of 2023. If the case is ruled in favor of Ripple, it is viewed as a possible bullish trigger for XRP. Xrp New News Update. XRP, the digital asset, experienced an unexpected 5.8% price spike that caught most investors off guard. Unfortunately, this rally was short-lived, as XRP's price quickly returned to its pre-spike range. Currently, XRP is following an uptrend guided by the 21-day moving average. However, the expanding gap between different moving averages, such as the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, is a cause for concern. Moving averages are essential in identifying trends and potential market reversals, as they smooth out price data over a specific period, providing a clearer picture of an asset's price direction. The growing gap between moving averages can imply heightened price fluctuations, making the market overstretched and unsustainable, leading to abrupt price pullbacks. Additionally, the expanding gap may denote a waning momentum driving the price changes, making a trend reversal increasingly likely. Finally, a broader gap between moving averages can make it difficult for the asset to establish solid support during a price drop, leading to a more noticeable decline. Therefore, investors should be cautious when analyzing XRP's price movement, paying attention to the widening gap between moving averages, which could precede a market correction. Xrp New News Update. An analyst has predicted that XRP's support level of 52 cents is likely to be broken, and the price could drop to the support at 49.4 cents. At the time just before this video was uploaded, XRP was trading at 52.04 cents, experiencing a 0.36% price decrease. A popular Twitter analyst has shared the thoughts on the future price of XRP. According to the analyst, while XRP has some support at 52 cents, it is likely to be short-lived, and the digital asset may follow Bitcoin in experiencing a correction. The analyst also cautioned that it could be too early to predict XRP's price movement, and traders should be ready for any possible scenario. The analyst reiterated their belief that XRP's price could drop to the support level of 49.4 cents. Xrp New News Update. According to lawyer and cryptocurrency enthusiast Bill Morgan, XRP holders should not worry about its exclusion from the recent launch of Ripple Liquidity Hub. Morgan explains that this development indicates that XRPL and XRP can function independently of Ripple's use of both in its specific products. He further states that this is positive evidence for the court that Ripple products do not require XRP either, and that token use in the Liquidity Hub was never priced into it in 2021, or since. While XRP was mentioned in the pilot phase of the product, Ripple did specify that XRP will be evaluated along with other tokens for support within the product as the regulatory framework in the US becomes clearer. Therefore, the exclusion of XRP from the product launch provides valuable insight into the role of XRP in Ripple's products and services, according to Morgan. Xrp New News Update. Uphold, a multi-asset digital money platform, holds $1 billion worth of XRP in its proof of reserves, according to crypto law founder and XRP holder, attorney John E. Deaton. This amount surpasses Uphold's Bitcoin holdings and accounts for 28.33% of total transactions on the platform, which offers over 250 cryptocurrencies and stable coins for users to buy, sell and trade. Uphold has expressed support for the XRP community and previously conducted a Twitter poll in which XRP emerged as the preferred choice of respondents for the platform's listing. Uphold added XRP to its list of cryptocurrencies for users to buy or trade in March 2018 and has continued to support XRP, despite the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020. Xrp New News Update. MasterCard has partnered with fintech firms Fable Fintech and Pay All Payment Systems to launch Cross-Border Services Express, a digital tool that enables financial institutions to offer seamless international payments to customers in over 100 markets and 60 currencies, covering 90% of the world's population. The service is designed to provide a fast, secure, and customizable solution for sending money or paying vendors worldwide, with complete transparency and predictability. Ripple partner Fable Fintech will leverage its established network to strengthen the collaboration, while Pay All Payment Systems will provide a seamless user interface. Cross-Border Services Express aims to address the challenges faced by SMEs in cross-border payments, as highlighted by MasterCard's 2022 Borderless Payments Report. In other news, Ripple has responded to the SEC's letter of supplemental authority, arguing against the Commonwealth case cited by the SEC as additional authority to reject Ripple's fair notice defense. Ripple has cited the Upton case as binding precedent that ruled in favor of the defendant's fair notice defense and maintained that reasonable market participants did not consider XRP to be an investment contract. Ripple has been fighting the SEC's allegations that the $1.3 billion sale of XRP constituted an unregistered security offering since December 2020. Xrp New News Update. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been the subject of much attention in the digital assets industry. The outcome of the case could have a significant impact on the future of cryptocurrencies, with potential consequences for investors and businesses operating in the sector. Attorney John E. Deaton, who launched the crypto law platform, has accused SEC Chair Gary Gensler of prioritizing the interests of Wall Street financial giants over those of the crypto industry. In his Gensler Files, Deaton reveals that Gensler has had at least 7 meetings with the Vanguard Group, which manages Gensler's personal fortune of $100 million. Meanwhile, Gensler has not met with any significant crypto industry players. Deaton suggests that Gensler is pursuing the case against Ripple until he satisfies his Wall Street friends. Deaton believes that Gensler's actions are part of a broader policy of regulation by enforcement. He argues that Gensler is not providing clarity and guidance on crypto regulation, waiting for Wall Street players to be satisfied before labeling crypto safe enough for investors. Deaton claims that Wall Street giants like BlackRock are bullish on crypto, but are waiting for regulatory clarity before investing. The outcome of the Ripple case could set a precedent for future regulation of the crypto industry. If Ripple wins, it could usher in a new era of acceptance and growth for cryptocurrencies. If the SEC prevails, it could mean even tougher regulations for the sector in the future. The case is being closely watched by market players and could have a significant impact on the future of digital assets in the US. Xrp New News Update. XRP lawyer John Deaton has shared a video featuring SEC Chair Gary Gensler in which he discusses banks' panic about the rise of the crypto market. Deaton, who represents over 76,000 XRP token holders in the ongoing Ripple lawsuit against the SEC, has argued that Wall Street banks want to gain market share in the crypto ecosystem before regulations are streamlined. The video from 2018 shows U.S. investor Tim Draper saying to Gensler that the banks were in a panic about the rise of cryptocurrency market. Draper suggested that incumbents would sue, exert media pressure, and leverage government regulators to slow the progress of crypto. Deaton believes that regulators are delaying the regulation of the crypto industry to protect incumbent banks. Xrp New News Update. The U.S. House Committee on Financial Services is set to hold a hearing on Understanding Stablecoins' Role in Payments and the Need for Legislation next week, featuring Dante Despart, the CSO of USDC Issuer Circle, among others. The hearing could focus on the potential of stablecoins to support beneficial payment options as well as risks to users and the broader financial system. Stablecoins play a crucial role in providing liquidity in the crypto market as they are pegged to the US dollar, providing easy access to fiat currency. The recent banking crisis in the US has highlighted the use of stable coins as an alternative way to store value in challenging times. However, stable coins also face the risk of losing their peg to the $1 value. The hearing will take place on April 19, 2023, and could provide clarity on the regulatory framework for stable coins. Xrp New News Update. Cardano, ADA, whales are making moves as network activity heats up, with large transactions on the rise, according to crypto analyst Ali. This suggests that institutional players and whales are making bullish moves, supporting the ADA uptrend. At the time of writing, Cardano's ADA was up 4.20% in the last 24 hours at 45.8 cents, outperforming the top 10 in daily gains. The coin is up 17.80% in the past 7 days, marking its 9th consecutive day in green. Network developments continue, with positive developments seen in the Cardano ecosystem, including the launch of IOG's lightweight wallet, Lace, and the upcoming launch of MELD's wallet and bridge. Cardano's founding entity, EMURGO, is funding the largest ever Cardano hackathon, and Aneta BTC is set to launch its public testnet on April 20, 2023, which will bring non-custodial wrapped Bitcoin to Cardano. Xrp New News Update. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is now on your screen. Each day, the emotions and sentiments from different sources are analyzed and crunched into one simple number. That is the gauge for the Fear and Greed Index. The current greed and index number is 68. Yesterday the index was at 68, indicating greed mode. Last week the index was at 61, also considered to be greed mode, and last month the index was at 51, which is considered a neutral mode for the index. Xrp New News Update. Gold prices experienced wild daily swings this week as they approached record highs, driven by market reactions to positive economic news and hawkish Federal Reserve speak. On Thursday, gold reached a 13-month high, nearing the record high of $2,063 an ounce. However, by the end of the week, gold had given up all of its weekly gains, falling $40 on Friday to close at $1,986 an ounce. According to Oanda senior market analyst Edward Moyer, this week's market movement was influenced by positive bank earnings reports and hawkish sentiment from the Federal Reserve. It wasn't just the data today, you had the banks starting to report earnings. JP Morgan crushed it with record revenue. Wells Fargo's numbers were pretty good. The deposits were okay. It looks like one of the big risks might not be unfolding right now. You're looking at this economy that is still holding up a little bit. And then you get some hawkish Fed speak. That's why gold sold off. However, the hawkish sentiment may not last long, as Moyer notes that monetary policy acts with a lag, and with the restrictive territory that we're seeing, things could start to break soon. Additionally, the latest producer price index numbers suggest that inflation may have peaked, which could give the Fed room to pause after May's 25 basis point hike. Precious metals expert Everett Millman of Gainesville Coins shares a similar view, stating that, if inflation is coming down and there are still banking problems, the Fed doesn't have a lot of good reason to keep its foot on the pedal and hike after May. He adds that gold will only react during the May 2 to 3 meeting if there is an emergency rate cut or a 50 basis point hike, both of which are unlikely. Federal Reserve officials have provided varying perspectives on the future of monetary policy. Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic suggested that the Fed will only need one more rate hike, stating that recent data points are consistent with us moving one more time. We've got a lot of momentum suggesting that we're on the path to 2%. Meanwhile, Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller believes that inflation has basically moved sideways with no apparent downward movement, and that monetary policy needs to be tightened further. Overall, the gold market remains volatile as investors continue to monitor economic news and Fed speak for any signs of policy shifts or potential risks. Xrp New News Update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for XRP. Based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 1 recommends selling XRP, 9 are neutral, and 1 indicate a buy signal for XRP. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, 1 recommends selling XRP, 1 is neutral, and 13 recommend buying XRP. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards XRP appears to be bullish, with 2 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 10 of the combined indicators being neutral, and 14 of the combined number of indicators recommending it is time to buy XRP. However, it is important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. Xrp New News Update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart is updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a one-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come one candle before a specific prediction date or one candle after the prediction date. Now for the dates to look out for: Sunday, April 16, 2023, and Saturday, April 22, 2023. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.